Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Niladri from the Digital Notion. While there are pretty many ways to blur the background of an image with respect to a subject, today I'm gonna show you the quickest and easiest way to blur the background of an image in just two simple steps and also give it a more natural looking blurred background feel. So without any further delay, let's get started. So basically here I'm using the latest version of Adobe Photoshop, that is CC 2020. Let's start with the object selection tool. Mind you, it automatically selects the subject from a part of the background image. So basically Photoshop itself does the maximum work for us. We are going to draw a rectangle around the subject and let the Photoshop automatically detect the edges of the subject and hence select it. Then zooming into the image, if we find some parts of the subject not selected, we use the same tool to draw around those parts, keeping the add to selection option selected from top. Photoshop does the rest. Then check for any unselected parts of the subject. Once done, press Ctrl C to copy the selected part. Then create a new layer named subject and just press Ctrl V to paste the selection into the new layer. Keeping the background layer selected, go to Filter, Blur and select Gaussian blur for more natural blurring. Select radius values according to your requirements. I would probably select 10, that would be fine I guess. Hit OK. Toggle between the layers to see the changes. Zooming in, check for extra smudges. Then keeping the subject layer selected, create a mask. Then making sure the mask is selected, use the brush tool to remove the smudges with flow of 50% and harshness decreased slightly. After completing, select the background layer and just right click on it. Click Merge Visible to merge the layers into one and crop the overall image if necessary. Then finally save the image file with maximum quality settings option for higher resolution output, and it's done. If you do end up liking my content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell icon for receiving further updates as a new video comes up. And please do like, comment and share and stay tuned. Thank you.